So over here you can see that I got a bunch of data, and if you want to replace out the data, then you can go around, click on the home tab right here, and here you can see replace is an option. So once you click on this, what happens is that you get this dialog box right here. So let me just close this and go to find, and once you go to find, there is a replace option over here as well. So once you go to replace, you can see that a new box actually appears right here. So here you can see replace with is here. So if I were to go around right here and type in MA, then it'll find MA right here. So I want to replace MA with NA right here. So I'm going to look in current document. So all of the document will be replaced out, and you can also match any part of the field right here. So even if like the beginning is matched out, then it'll replace that out. So I'm just going to go around any part of the field, and it says all. Let me just go around and click on find next. You can see that it finds next, and if you want to replace it, then you can click on replace all, and you can say yes, and you can see that now MA is replaced with NA right here. So now let me do the opposite right here, NA with MA right here, and click on replace all, then it does the exact opposite. Similarly, you can go around over here and match whole field right here. So once you do this, what happens is that if I were to go and do this now, replace all, it says it did not find any record. That is because the whole field, it is looking for MA in whole field to be matched out. So if I were to go around right here onto the starter field, then it'll now go around right here and search for that. You can go for whole field right here or any part of the field. And I'm just going to go around, choose any part of the field and replace out. So let me just go around, type in MA right here, replace, and now you can see that everything is being replaced out one by one as I click this out. So that is how you can replace out data inside of an Access database table. So hope you guys learned something as always. And as always, please like, comment, share, and subscribe.